What's up, my YouTubers? Man, I'm on this BMW. I got a 2008 BMW. Look at that shit. Sexy mother. Shut your mind. This is the 528Xi. So sit down, enjoy, get you a popcorn, get you a smoke, and watch me do work. First you have to jack your car up. That's where I put the jack stand, right there. And you gotta take your wheel off. What's up, my good people? DIY Diagnostic and Repair back again. The customer bought me a lot of parts so that they need their front end replaced on this vehicle. They had a lot of noise in the front, so they thought it was the front end, the shocks, and all that. Yeah, they need to be replaced. But right now, that is not her major problem. I'm gonna show you the problem of all this noise that's been rattling in the front. I'm on the passenger side. And we going in here, and we don't have to take this panel off right quick, but we'll take it off when we're doing the job. Now, the noise that the customer was hearing, I want you to listen to this. You hear that? Okay, let me turn this sideways. This right here, that's your axle. It goes into your spindle, and it also goes up in the transmission. Look at that axle. The axle is broke. See all this? It's broke. So all the noise that she was hearing, listen to this, I'm finna shake it. Look at the axle. The axle is broke. Look at that. Look at that. So what the customer was hearing was the axle vibrating and everything. Look at that. You can see right inside the axle. Look at that. That's the rubber boot. It's off. It's broken. So if you hear a lot of rattling noise up in your BMW, on either side, the passenger or the driver's side, jack your car up and go out there and check your axles, man. Because this been riding for a while. She drove over here. I don't know how she made it. By God's grace. So this video is just for DIYers or somebody that can't find where that noise is coming from, that rattling noise. Go to those axles and shake them, make sure they're not broke. Okay? Hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, DIY Diagnostic and Repair. You got to leave a comment and like so the algorithm can push these videos out to other DIYs. All right? I'll catch you on the next one doing the job.